Okay, so we're looking at unit price. What does it mean? What does this word mean, unit price? What do you think they're asking you to find if they're asking for the unit price? Okay, the price for one. The unit is for one. Okay, so for example, if I have a package of pens, and let's say there's 12 pens in the pack, and 12 pens cost $15.48, and I want to find the unit price. That means I want to find the cost for one pen. How are we going to find the unit price? Do you think the price will be larger or smaller than the total price? Smaller. So what operation will you use to find a number that's smaller? Division. Good. So what are we going to do? What are we going to divide? What are we going to take? Right, we're going to take the cost, and what are we going to divide it by? The number of pens in the package. So you're taking the cost and you're dividing it by the number. That's what you're always going to use to find the unit price. You're going to take the cost, so the total cost, and divide it by the total number in the package. So $15.48 divided by 12. And what is the cost for one pen? Yep. So $1.29. Therefore, it's $1.29 per pen. What is this means for each one? So it's for one pen. Okay, so we know the cost is $1.29 for each pen. What if I want to know how much it costs for 36 pens? I know the cost for one pen, and I want to know for 36. Is the number going to get smaller or larger if the number of pens is increasing? Larger. So what operation do you use when a number gets larger? Good. So what are we going to multiply? Good. We're going to take the price for one, and what are we going to multiply it by? Times 36. Good. What's the cost for 36 pens? $46.44. Okay, so for the next example, I just want you to find the unit price. So you're going to find the price for one package of paper. You're given the price for 10 packages. So how do you find the unit price? Cost divided by the number. Okay, so find the unit price for each package of paper. Good, because these are all packages of 10, whenever you're dividing by 10, what do you do with the decimal? Right, you move it one place to the left. So what's the unit price for A? $11.99. Move this one place to the left, $10.97, $22.98, and $14.99. Which one's the cheapest? B. Good. Okay, so we want to figure out which is the best deal. Is it better for me to buy 150 sheets of paper for $1.12, 200 sheets for $1.25, 500 sheets for $2.59, or 1,000 sheets for $5.49? Let's figure out each unit price and figure out which one's the lowest. So what's the unit price for A? What was the price for one sheet? Rounded to 3 decimal places. 0.007. Let's round it off to 4 decimal places. 7.5. Okay, what about for B? B is 0.0063. We rounded it off. C. What did you get for C? 0. Celeste? 0.005. 2, when we round it. And the last one, $5.49 divided by 1,000. Round it off to 4 decimal places. 0.0055. Good, we round it off. Okay, now that we've rounded it to 4 decimal places, it's easier to compare the prices. So which one is the lowest unit price? Good, C, because it's 5.2. This one's 5.5, so it's larger. This one's 6. This one's 7. So this is the lowest price. So if I spend $2.59, I'll get 500 sheets of paper. It ends up being cheaper than all the other ones in the long run. It's the cheapest unit price.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.